It's Tia. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be going through some of my fall stuff. I know we all have bins that we just kind of are like, what do we do? What do we do with all of this stuff? It's a lot of stuff, but we're going to sort through it really quick. We're going to find out what works with my aesthetic, what's good for the long term, what's going to help me out going forward. So let's get to it, shall we? So my aesthetic is pretty much like this is mine, a dark aesthetic. I like earthy tones, bronzes, brushed gold, those botanical natural feelings. Those are the things that me personally I like. I used to do farmhouse. I thought it was a trend. It was a really cool trend. Everybody was on the Ray Dunn thing. And I followed along suit and I did it. And now I don't really like it. It's not honestly something I want to do. So this is what we're going to do. Pumpkins. Oh my gosh. I did not realize how many pumpkins I've had. This one. Hold please. Let's see. My friend, you'll know I always say hold please. Well, we have a Bath and Body Works, which I actually like this. I'm going to have a keep pile, a donate pile, and I don't think anybody in their right mind would ever buy that pile, but we'll see. So this will definitely be a little keeper in my little keep pile. Oh, let's see. So I do like this. It's that natural look that I still want to go for. My mom and I used to do these. My mom passed away almost 3 years ago in September. She died of metastatic melanoma. It's kind of still hard for me to say sometimes because she died too young, of course. Never enough time in the world for anyone that goes. But her and I used to have so much fun doing wreaths together that it was just classic great. So what I do with my wreaths on my door is I actually, on these artificial leaves, I'll put like cinnamon oil, like droplets of cinnamon oil inside the flowers and stuff. So when someone comes to your front door, it actually smells like cinnamon. It actually works really well. So this is a keeper. We're going to put this on my front door this year. Look, we found the missing stem. The missing stem. These were actually, my mom gave these to me. They were party like tea holder things. I actually spray painted these black because I love matte black, and then I took Rub and Buff, I think it was antique gold, and I did that to each of these. So a little antique gold. Whoop whoop. So I think I'll keep these. These are my aesthetic, so we'll kind of go with that. And I can keep these out for Halloween too, kind of thinking double duty. So this will be our keep pile. I don't know. I mean, I remember I went and got these with my mom, I think at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, one of the two. I mean, maybe these little copper ball things, but I might keep like these fakey leaves. I don't like these. I'm just being honest. I'm gonna donate these puppies. Let someone else, we'll bless these to somebody else's house, shall we? I had my hair earlier down this morning. I don't know about y'all, but I live in Michigan. It's been warm. I lived in the South for about 20-something years, but I grew up here, and it's kind of cooler today, but it's been warm, and our upstairs gets warm up here. All right, we're gonna donate this. I'm gonna keep these in a pile. You guys have to comment and tell me exactly what I should do with these. I don't know. They're just little like coppery ball things. I don't know. We'll see. Alrighty, let's take, let's keep them. See, this is hard. Let's keep these. We are gonna bless somebody else with bright colors. We'll bless them with these. Bless someone with these. Bless someone with, I don't know, cotton ball cattails and pine cones. I told you, I'm fun. These we will keep. I like you know what I'm seeing? A neutral thing. Neutral is good. Sunflower, no, somebody else can have that in their house. All right. I think I've got 2 of every of these pumpkins. I actually made a pumpkin topiary one year where I took wooden skewers and skewered these like all the way through. And it's a muted orange. It's not bright in your face orange like a fake orange. Well, maybe I'll keep both of these then. Okay, and then I'm not going to keep any other pumpkins. We're just going to find that one just went rolling. matching pumpkin. We're gonna find the stem for that one. Y'all, where are my stems? I don't even know. I can't even right now. This one I'll keep. Got the little bronze. I did this actually. I took a rub and buff to that, and then I did rub and buff on this. So we got that. These were made by the doctor I work for. This was made by his mother-in-law. These are cool. I actually really like these. Thanks, Kathy. I think I got these from her last year. These. Okay, you know what? We're going to keep this one. Kathy, we're going to bless this one to another house. Okay. Because she crochets those two. I got to find the stem. One with a stem. That's a muted orange. We can do that. Donating this one. Okay. DIY project. I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and spray paint these in the bronze color that I have in my kitchen. Let's do that. We'll do that. All right. I don't know. I'm thinking no. These are gonna go donation because they're ugly. I'm sorry. I actually made these. So this is a pillow cover that I made. If you ever watched Design by the Nines with Natalie Callahan, I actually have her drill. I have her safety glasses. Love watching her for inspiration. This is an idea that she had in an image that she gave, because I give images also. I'm starting to do that now for free. But and this is on, I'm trying to think, this is going to be on printable iron-on vinyl. And this was actually from a drop cloth that I got on Amazon, and I still have a lot of the drop cloth left. I sewed up my own pillow cover, sewed it and everything, did all that kind of fun stuff. But we're going to donate that because it's not me anymore. Remember, we're changing. This one I made for my mom, and I ended up inheriting it from her. But yeah, it's a big pillow cover, and it just says fall is my favorite, and I did that iron-on design for her with my Cricut. So, but I'm gonna donate that too because it's not for me. I'm not gonna keep it around just because I made it for my mom. She had it, she used it. Now we're good. Really, some of these things I look at and I'm like, what am I doing? What am I thinking of here? I'm gonna trash this one because this has got messed up on the things. Oh, I have these already. I need to keep this, honestly, because I already have those little white pumpkins somewhere. Farmhouse. My farmhouse days with my Dollar Tree crafts with a little crate, and I used my Cricut. No. We're good. Let's donate it. I tried to make this look like it was like a mirror on a Dollar Tree picture frame, and I stippled on metal paint to make it look like it was like a mirror with the hands coming through. No, I don't even know if I want to donate this. I think I'm honestly gonna trash it. I don't even think anyone can use this frame. I'm gonna be honest. So, oh look, Farmhouse Dollar Tree craft, the man in the moon. And then the other side was my ring. I have like a recipe for wood burning gel. It's actually really fun. For Christmas, I'll show you this really cool thing that I do, and I'm sure a million people have seen it, with a little, they do a turntable underneath. I made a few of those for my in-laws for Christmas, I think, was it last year or the year before? I'm thinking I would spray paint this, but I think someone else would like it just like this. Yeah, let's donate it. We'll bless that to somebody else, right? All right. Farmhouse days. Farmhouse days. I did this too. Happy Halloween, y'all. Somebody has the last initial of a W, go for it. This thing was cool. I'm not going to be able to fix him. I mean, this was an orange jack-o'-lantern that actually lit up. Like, I would put lights inside of him. Matches. So I used to turn it this way, and then I did this for Halloween, and then I go back after Halloween for the fall because I like the aesthetic. But favorite ones. The only thing is that it's silver. I don't think that there's a, well, you know what I could do? I could bend these up, tape them off, and then I could spray this the color that I want. Am I gonna do it? Yes, I will do it. It's gonna be in my pile of very few things. We're gonna make it work. We don't wanna spend more money, right? Donating this. I made this. This was actually my 25-year-old's. This was hers when she was little. But I put a little bit of rub and buff on there for a little bit of brass. We're keeping this sucker. It's cool. Reminds me of my kid. All right. I think this was Mackenzie's too. I think that was my daughter's. Sorry, Kens. But I do like that. That's gonna go in. This is my only fall cup I have right now. So we're gonna use this one. I'm not keeping a lot of pumpkins. I'm not. But I always love this. I thought this was pretty. We can definitely use this. It's like an amber orangish color, kind of like that vase that I made with the alcohol inks. We'll keep this one. I'm running out of room over here. This is Halloween. Okay. If anybody knows me, I love Jack Skellington. Nightmare Before Christmas is actually my all-time favorite movie of all times. I love this. And I got this at Disney World in Florida. I thought I had the Disney sticker still on there, but man, I love this thing. I'm never giving this up. This is going to go to Halloween. So we'll put this aside back here. I don't even know why I have this. I think I made this. And it was like out of jute wire or something, a pumpkin. We'll just trash that one. I can't find the core for that one. I made this out of a jigsaw with a jigsaw. I actually made this. I'm just going to donate it. Somebody might want it. I don't know what for. They might want it. And here's my little rustic pumpkin. It's like a grapevine pumpkin. It's me because it's very natural and botanical. These are going in the trash. I don't have little things for them. This is going in the trash. Don't have a thing for it. That one's going in the trash. Can't find a thing. I think we hit it pretty good. I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning and I was just like, I need to pull out my bins. I couldn't sleep. Grab some coffee, let my dog out, grab the bins.